Welcome to qnawire.
All right, so for this function, we have a graph, and you should definitely use the graph provided by the book because my graph is just a rough sketch and it might not be as accurate. So we want to find h prime of 2, and we're told that h of x is f of x, and that's a composite function, so we're going to use the chain rule to find its derivative. We take the derivative of the outside, which would be f prime of x, and multiply that by the derivative of the inside, which would be f prime of x. And then we substitute a 2 in there to find h prime of 2. So everywhere we have an x, we replace it with a 2. Now we take a look at our graph to get some information about what f of 2 is. So you look for where x equals 2, and then where is that on the graph? That's at a height of 1. So we can substitute a 1 in there. And now we have f prime of 1 times f prime of 2. So f prime of 1, the derivative of 1 is the slope to the tangent line, the slope of the tangent line at that point. And f prime of 2 is the slope of the tangent line at that point. So let's find x equals 1, and let's imagine a tangent line drawn in there. Okay, I could imagine that that line has a slope of roughly -1/2. So f prime of 1 is about -1/2. It might not be exactly that. That's my rough estimate. And then same idea for f prime of 2. You have x equals 2. We have the point on the graph, and then imagine the tangent line drawn there. Maybe that line has a slope of -2. So we have -1/2 times -2. So our answer would be 1. And that's just an estimate. It might not be exactly 1. Okay, we have a similar thing to do for part B. G of x is f of x squared, another composite function. Use the chain rule to get g prime of x, and that would be f prime of x squared times the derivative of x squared, so times 2x. Now for g prime of 2, we substitute 2 in for x, so we have f prime of 2 squared, and that would be f prime of 4 times 2 times 2. So now let's look at the graph, find x equals 4, and find where that is on the function, and then let's approximate the slope of the tangent line there. So suppose that's about +2. So we have 2 times 2 times 2, so we get approximately 8.